Hey, fourth grade, we're going to be making some Gem Dine pop art hearts today. You can see from the student example, they practiced great craftsmanship. They used a lot of colors, they really took their time. They did a fantastic job. They even outlined it at the end. So you're going to need a few things: a pencil, a ruler, a black piece of paper, and maybe a paper towel if you feel like you want to clean off your oil pastels. You're going to need a black one and a white one to create your tints and shades. And you're going to start by writing your name and class code. Very, very, very important. Flip it over, and you're going to draw a nice large heart that fills up the space of the paper. It does not have to be perfect. In fact, it looks really nice when it has your own personal style on it. And then you're going to use a ruler to draw 5 or 6 lines that cross over the entire width of the paper. And you may need to move your ruler halfway through because it won't be long enough to stretch. And you want to divide up the heart a few times, and that's going to leave you with lots of small spaces or large spaces to color in with the tints and shades. We're going to be doing tints on the inside and shades on the outside. So what I'd like you to do is to pick a space on the inside of the heart. You can outline it, that's what I like to do, with the hue. The hue is the regular color, so I picked a red-orange. I'm coloring in one side of the shape and then leaving the middle a little bit scribbly, and then I'll use a white to start coloring in on the other side of the shape. And I'm going to start kneading towards the middle, and they'll start overlapping, and that's where the magic happens. It starts to create that tint, which would be kind of like a pink. And so you are going to do that for each and every space inside of the heart. I'm outlining the shape, and then I'll start filling in one side of it. And then the other side, I will start coloring in with white, meet towards the middle, and it can be a little scribbly. In fact, that's better if it's scribbly. It'll blend a lot better. And there you can see a little bit of the lavender showing through. You can even go back in with your hue and layer it a little bit more to help it blend. Okay, so I've done a few spaces on the inside of the heart as tints, and now I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead and show you what the shades part will look like in the spaces outside of the heart. I'm coloring in one half of the shape with the hue, and then on the other half of the shape I'm going to use black. And the same thing with the shapes on the inside. I'm going to meet them towards the middle and blend the black and the hue together to get a nice dark shade. I can't wait to see how your hearts turn out, fourth grade.